Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive crypto from Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo application or your Zengo wallet as it were. This is it. So tada, I'm in my Zengo wallet, and as you can see, I have a beautiful user interface staring at me in the face. Okay, so from this homepage, you're gonna see a couple features that will help you enhance or facilitate your Zengo experience. You're also going to see a couple icons representing diverse features. Once you find your way around it, then you'll be able to use those icons to get exactly what you want to achieve in Zengo. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to receive crypto from Zengo wallet. Hooray! Payday, payday, payday. And somebody sent you money and you want to receive it. Let's say you sent them your Zengo wallet address using any of the assets or using any of the wallets, and they sent money to you and you just want to receive it. Here's exactly what you can do to receive your crypto from the Zengo wallet. So check the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. You're going to find home, you're going to find history, you're going to find the middle icon that has the arrow upwards and arrow downwards. You're also going to find settings icon, you're going to find security icon. So go ahead and click on the middle icon where you have the arrow upward and the arrow downward. And it's going to take you to the screen where you have an extended menu. You have receive, send, buy, sell, earn, swap, connect. So go ahead and click on receive because heck, we want to receive a crypto, right? So go ahead and click on that. Now here you have a wide array of assets that you can choose from. Now you're gonna have to decide that. Now which asset do you want to receive this crypto from? So let's say we want to receive Bitcoin. I'm just gonna click on that Bitcoin and it's gonna take me over here. Okay, so you have this option right here. Okay, so you can now, it takes you right here to this window where you can now enter or so this window where you can now select your Bitcoin address or you can scan QR code. All right, so this is it. So go ahead and check your wallet address. You can click on this copy icon right there. Click on that copy icon for you to copy your BTC address and send it to the person that wants to send the BTC to you. All right, or you can use the QR code, the scan code option or the QR code option. Click on that and scan the person's address. So that's just pretty much it. So you can copy the link and send to the person to transfer using your BTC address, or you can scan the code of the person's wallet, and that's just going to be it. So once that is done, you'll be able to receive crypto from Zengo wallet. Now this is just BTC. Now it also applies to other assets, so you can choose any asset. Depends on the asset that you want to receive this money from. So here you can get your address for that particular asset and you can scan the code. So whichever one you choose, that's it. This is how you can receive money from, or this is how you can receive crypto from Zengo wallet. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.